So in this video, we'll be talking about how to control and use a Dreo fan. I'll be focused on using the remote control, but keep in mind that there's a button array down here. And this actually works. If you push these buttons, the fan will turn on and off. You can adjust the fan speed, all that other stuff. The controller is generally the better way to do it, but you have both options available to you. So first of all, you have the power button. This is just turning the fan on and off. Here you have your fan speed button. This fan has 9 levels, 1 through 8, and then there's a high button. So just cycle through them. H is like turbo. Then you have your working modes button. That's this right here. It looks like a little unordered list. And basically this changes the fan between normal, auto, turbo, and sleep. So you want to go look down here. Auto, this will adjust based on the temperature of the room. Turbo is just your maximum speed mode. Sleep, the sleep mode, which is that little moon, that's very cool. It'll lower the fan over time as you sleep, with the thinking that you're kind of like cooling off as the night goes on. So it'll go from 3 to 2 to 1. Next to this is your timer. And by pushing this, you could put the fan on a timer and it will run from up till about 8-hour timer. So you set it to 8 on the timer. In 8 hours, the fan will turn off. If you go back to 0, you turn off the timer. This button right here is mute. I usually keep that one off. This is if you want the fan to make beeping noises or you want it to be silent. The beep is just a confirmation that the fan recognized the signal from the remote and it's making the change you desired. The last one is this. This is the horizontal oscillation. And usually with fans, this is on and off. With this one, it has settings like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. 4 means you're using the maximum amount of side-to-side oscillation. For this model, it's 120 degrees. For the model you buy, it may be 90 and maybe 150. They vary on the different Polyfan models, but generally for mine, it's 0, 30, 60, 90, 120 degrees. Lastly, there's a child lock mode, and you do that. You can do it with the remote, but with the remote, for me, it's not really worked. You need to press these 2 buttons. You press and hold these 2. You'll see the timer go on. It'll go into lock mode. Now the remote will still work, but these buttons will not work. You'll get that L for lock. To disable the lock, just press those 2 for 3 seconds. Now you saw a countdown and the fan is out of lock mode. That's pretty much it. It's how you control your Dreo fan. Thanks for watching.